Hi everybody, welcome back. So today is going to be day 2 of journaling our caterpillars. So over the last couple of days, our little friends have been very active and they've been crawling lots around the cup, and then they've also started hanging out together. They've been spending a lot of time crawling right near each other. So I am excited that we are back together to journal for day 2. So if you have your journal with you, we can start setting up our journal before we take a look at our caterpillars. So since today is day 2, we want to put that at the top of our box on our page, or if you have your notebook, mark today is day 2 in your journal. And then we also want to put the date, which is April 17th, 2020. And in your notebook, you can also write that with day 2, April 17th, 2020. So remember, we also have our box at the top and then lines at the bottom, so that way we can keep our journal organized. And as a reminder, we put our picture in the box and write our description on the bottom. And the same thing in our notebooks. Our picture goes on this side and our description goes on the other side. So we're going to start with our video and photographs. So let's have a look at our caterpillars today. So now that we have our picture for day 2, we want to add our description for day 2. So remember, to help us describe our caterpillars and what they look like, we are going to be using adjectives to describe their shape, their size, their color, and any other important details that we may notice when we look closely at them. So today, boys and girls, we are going to be using those adjectives to describe the changes that we see from our first day of journaling. So when you look closely at that picture of our caterpillars, what did you notice was different about them than on day 1? That is what I'd like you to think about today while you're writing in your description. So thank you for joining me for day 2 of journaling, and I am excited to check back in with you on Monday to see how our caterpillars change over the weekend. Have a good weekend, friends. See you on Monday.